Let's learn some interesting facts about snails in this video. Come on, let's get into it. Snails are invertebrates. Generally, a snail's body consists of 5 main parts: head, neck, visceral cone, tail, and foot. Snails have a ribbon-like tongue called a radula, which contains thousands of tiny teeth that they use to grind up food. Snails have a beautiful spindly shell on their back. This shell has a tough structure that protects their internal organs. Snails have strong muscular legs that help them crawl over rough surfaces and keep their soft bodies from drying out. And the body muzzle of the snail is very soft. With the help of the soft muzzle, the snail has the unique ability to crawl over a very sharp blade without a small wound or a cut. One can find snails everywhere. They especially prefer moist environments such as bark, piles of damp waste, and moss. Snails are mainly herbivores and feed on leaves, flowers, fruits, stems, and garden crops. Large snails and some snails that live in water also eat small fishes. Snails eat a diet which is rich in calcium, and that helps them keep their shells thick and healthy. The African snail is the largest snail species ever discovered, and they can reach up to 35 centimeters in length. Nowadays, snails are raised for meat and they provide many medicinal benefits to humans, and the rearing of snails for meat is called heliculture. So friends, did you learn some interesting information about snails? Now share this information with your friends too. Subscribe to our channel for more useful information like this, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye!